Hi guys, welcome back to RPTV. Today's video we're going to be heading over to Paddlup in Brinkworth, Wiltshire. I think it's a dealership and they've got some very nice cars there, and on weekends they open up for a bit of a cars and coffee style meet-up. So we're going to head over there, see what cars they got, show you around, and yeah, should be good. Earlier on. What is going on, guys? I didn't even say you were coming, so... Surprise guest, yeah. That is Ryan Perfect. RPTV. Eggy bread.
There you are. Some stuff.
What's going on here?
I bet you'll like and subscribe.
I mean, we were talking about that the other day. Kaylee said that, like, based on like statistics and stuff, it's always men that never subscribe to stuff.
Oh, really?
And it got me thinking, like, the amount of times I watch like regular people, but I just don't subscribe to them. I never like their videos or anything.
Yeah, I think it's just mainly watch YouTube videos if you see the link on Instagram. Unless I do know that someone's like released a video like Tommy Searle.
Yeah.
What are you getting out of this video today then?
Taking these guys there.
Show them the experience.
My whole 32 subscribers. The experience of
them.
31 then.
Yeah.
Nah, just gonna show them around all what cars they got and stuff.
You definitely need to take TC out on a video.
Do you reckon?
Because he's the guy who knows all the numbers of certain cars, or most of the cars. Whereas I'm more of a bike guy and just like looking at them.
Yeah.
Are you PG on this channel?
Huh?
Are you PG on this channel?
I say like bollock shit and I block out.
Do you?
Yeah. Basically anything apart from.
So have you told your viewers when you're getting your pipe on?
Nope. Not yet.
No.
Nope.
Not yet?
Nope.
Or is that to be cut out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm not that worried. It's going to be about 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Not till middle of December, so I don't really want to talk about it too much because I just get too excited.
I hope this is worth it. You know, I hope you get there and there's some decent metal.
They've had an LFA in before, they've had an F40, which is literally just sold, so...
I feel like this is a good time
yeah.
to go. Because some geezers, and they have
I thought I was going to scrape them.
Shut me up then. I feel like this is a good time because people be cleaning their cars in the morning or tinkering around or getting it serviced and think, oh, I'll pop by on the way back.
No, it is a pretty cool setup they got there, by the looks of things.
Yeah, I'd say they got like gaming sims.
Yeah. Way up. Oh, a bit of ag. Ow. That was close. Didn't know if that defender was going to stop.
No, here we are, typical cyclist. We all love to be one, but we hate to see one.
Not a fan. Sold my bike for a reason.
We rarely went on the road, really. You know, we were downhill mountain bikers.
Yeah.
More hardcore.
Yeah. We both ate shit.
Yeah.
Might just insert that in.
Windhill.
Yeah.
Windhill?
Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty gnarly. There's the Paddlup truck. This is pretty sick.
Yeah.
It's an M3 CSL.
Oh, Lord.
There it all is, look. Right, well, we're going to get out and have a look at some cool shiznit. See you on the jobby. What's a laugh? Yeah. This is pretty crazy, dude. All right. Look at this. What a shame. Oh no. I was really excited as well. was that. That didn't go to plan at all. So a little disclaimer, I'm not going to be filming anymore there just yet. I'm going to be going back to Paddlup maybe next Saturday, and I want to do a proper video there where I can take you guys around everything. It's such a cool place. I'm not going to tell you a hell of a lot about it now because it will just ruin it for the next video, but basically when we were there and I filmed what I filmed, we were looking around, I started filming, and then Tim, one of the owners, came up to me and, you know, we were chatting away, asked if we wanted coffee, and before you know it, he was showing us around the storage area, the storage facility that they have, and like the services they provide and everything like that. And then he went through and showed us the showroom and basically explained what they do and everything to do with it, really. So yeah, it was mental. I could talk for hours on everything. If you do see this before I do the video, just go there, have a look. It's mental. So yeah, this video was originally going to be for like Paddlup on its own, but as it didn't go to plan, just because it was very overwhelming, I'd rather do a proper video and reflect on everything that I can rather than go there blind. If I try and piece together what I've got already, I just won't be happy with the upload, so I'd rather go back there, film something a lot better. So I'll do that. So today me and Melody are gonna have a bit of a day together, go and get some lunch, grab a coffee and stuff. So I'm gonna take you with me on that, and I'm gonna head over to the new BMW dealership in Melksham. I was meant to be going to the opening evening they had a week or so ago, but just with work and everything, the timing wasn't right and I couldn't make it, unfortunately. But it looked really good. They got a really nice setup over there, so I'll be excited to show you guys that, and I'll be excited to see it myself. So we're on the way to Melksham now. We're going to go and film a video for Melody's channel. We're going to go and get Starbucks and do a Q&A. So if you haven't checked out my girlfriend's channel already, I shall tag her in there and you can go and see that. And Melody's on the phone to the fraud prevention team, so she's having a great Sunday. They said there'd be 40 minutes, so you're in for a treat. I'm leaving you now, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Let's go. This is a hell of a dealer, mine. This place is huge. They got mini stock all the way down there, which I have a very soft spot for. This is going to be a main hub for a lot of BMW stuff, so we shall see what they have in. By the looks of it, they have some very, very nice stuff, so I'm excited. So here they have a fleet of M cars, which is nice. Looks like we've got a couple of M4s, M3. So yeah, very nice 840i, very understated spec. Love that, but it's what's next to it that counts. This M3 CS. This is probably one of my favourite M3s of all time. They're just gorgeous. I do think that the F80 shape M3 is probably one of the best looking M3s out. I know a lot of people don't think that, but personally I just love the shape. I think they're so aggressive, and the arches on the rear just look insane. The G80 is nice too. I don't know, what do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer this M3 CS or do you prefer the new G80 M3? So this seems to be pretty much top spec, and it's got literally every carbon option on it. By the looks of it, carbon sills. If I had this car, I could see myself just stepping on that all the time. And I don't know what this is all about. This like plastic trim that they have on these, I don't approve. This, so much better. I don't really know what BMW were thinking when they made this exhaust, to be honest. I think it looks hideous, but I'm sure someone out there will put it on and make it look cool. So I'll just leave it to them. The aero on the roof I enjoy, that looks pretty cool. It's a shame that the shark fin isn't carbon as well. I do like this lip spoiler, it's not too aggressive, but when you have this, I would have thought that you would have something like that on it. The interior on these is like amazing. I think BMW have really upped their game. They've probably got one of the nicest interiors on the market at the moment. So this is a G82 BMW M4. This is probably my favourite colour that comes out of the factory. Not as good a spec as the G80 M3 next to it, but it's still really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous spec. The wheels look absolutely insane. I do actually quite like all the gloss black, but I'm a bit of a carbon freak, so if you could put the spoiler on this, on that, that would be like the perfect car. Or actually, no, sorry. But the rear diffuser and the exhaust setup on that car, that would be perfect. Whee! They've gone for sort of, kind of like a swan neck wing. It comes up and then swoops around. Instead of just being like underneath the wing, it always like follows on top a bit, like, you know, the wings on the GT3. And kind of like the Senna as well. I don't know, there's something about here. I think the M4 suits the wing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Wing or no wing? So yeah, this spec is all murdered out. I believe, is this sapphire black? I believe, correct me if I'm wrong. Looks very, very nice. Not really my cup of tea, but I know a hell of a lot of you would like that. And then this is quite another controversial car, really, in my eyes. Personally, I would never go for convertible, but I do actually think they look really cool. It's a bit of a shame that they've gone to a soft top now and they're no longer hard top convertibles. At the end of the day, you don't buy a convertible because the roof looks good, you buy it so that you can have the top down. So I think it all looks really good, all bar this. Like, what is that? They were designing the car, they were like, yeah, this is really cool. This car's gonna be sick. We'll put the cloth roof on and then we'll just stick a random light here because we need to do it legally. If they could have been bedded it in with the window, that would have been way better. One thing I will say is, like, even though the convertible is probably like my least favorite out of all of these, this is the one with the carbon back seats, which is probably the coolest thing. Top spec seat, I don't know what you call them, like the sport seats, if you will. Although they're not particularly the comfiest, and they have what they call a cock piece, which is a bit odd. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Now we're going to go do some garden centre shopping, aren't we? It's so cold.
Yeah, it's chilly outside.
Do not appreciate. Right guys, so I think I'm going to end the video there. Me and Melody just done a bit of Christmas shopping in the old garden centre, and turns out they had a Christmas market as well, so we had a little move around there. So I can't wait to get back to Paddlup and film a proper video there, so very excited to do that. So stay tuned on the channel, that'll be coming very soon, and maybe a video at BMW as well. So if you're interested, stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe, chuck a comment in there if you fancy it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Goodbye.